Assalamu alaikum, dear students. How are you all? Hope you all are fine, and we all are also fine. This is our English language class, and today we are going to solve some questions from test paper. It is from a cadet college, Mirzapur Cadet College, that is, and the words we are going to complete today is completing sentence. Okay, so let's start. Number one, there will be some clues. We will have to fill the gaps or write the rest part of the sentence according to those clues. Okay, so it is high time we did it proper. You see, it is high time. When there is, it is high time, then the other part of the sentence will be, of course, in the simple past tense. So I wrote, we did it properly. You can also write, the government took the right decision. So took, it is in the past tense. Or you can also write, we changed our habit. It is high time we changed our habit. So it will be in the simple past tense. Next, number two, scarcely. You see, the clue is scarcely. And with scarcely we know that past perfect tense will be used. You see, scarcely had we finished our duty, then what will be the conjunction? When, of course, when. Okay, so with scarcely we have to use when, and the rest part of the sentence will be in the simple past tense, when the instructor appeared. Okay, so scarcely had we finished our duty, this is in the past perfect tense, and after when the clause will be in the past tense. Next, number three, she acted as though. Acted, before as though, there you see the tense is in the past tense, that is acted. So what tense will be here? It will be in the past perfect tense, and if it is of the be verb, you have to use had been. Okay, so she acted as though she had been a doctor. Okay, and if it was in the simple present tense, like she acts, then and before as though, what tense will be here? It will be in the simple past tense. So in that case, it would be, she acts as though she was a doctor. Okay, so we have to use were form of the be verb. Okay, next, number four, if I had been invited to join the party, it is like conditionals. Okay, and here you see had been. What tense is this? This is past perfect tense. So if I had been invited to join the party, if it is in the past perfect tense, then here we have to use would have. So if I had been invited to join the party, I would have been delighted. I would have been very what? Happy. Okay. Next, uneasy lies the head. You remember that there will be some idioms will be there, so you will have to know some of them. Uneasy lies the head that wears the crown. Okay, some proverbs you have to memorize. You have to know some proverbs, because it is very common that there may be one question out of these proverbs. Okay. Okay, my dear students, we are going to start to solve the question of another cadet college, that is Mymensingh Girls Cadet College, and it is also completing sentence. The first one, he could not attend the meeting because in this type of sentences we have to notice the tense. As it is in the past tense, it will also be in the past tense. So here it will be because he was seriously ill. Okay. Next, number two, we went to his residence as soon as. In this type of sentence, we will also have to notice the tense here, and it is in the past tense. So after as soon as, the clause will also be in the simple past tense. We went to his residence as soon as we heard. It is in the past tense. We heard the news of his illness. Okay. Next, number 3. He was so ill that. The clue is here. So that. Okay. So he was so ill that, and here we notice that the verb is in the past tense. So here we will have to use past tense also. So that he could not talk to us. He could not even stand up. Okay? You can write according to the meaning. Okay. Next comes number 4. We immediately decided to shift him to a hospital because here again you see this is in the simple past tense, decided. Okay. So here we will also have to use simple past tense. We immediately decided to shift him to a hospital because his condition was very bad, or his condition was deteriorating. Okay, that means it is getting worse. Okay, next, number 5. No sooner had. We know that with no sooner we have to use past perfect tense. That means had plus V3 form. So no sooner had we reached the station, then what you have to use? When or that? Of course, sorry, then. You have to use then. And if you forget to use then it will be wrong. The station, then the bus started. Okay, so you have to use simple past tense here after that. If here there is no sooner plus had plus V3 form of the verb, and then will be there, then the other clause will be in the simple past tense. Okay, we all know this, but the thing is that if you don't practice it frequently, then you might forget it. Okay, don't forget it. Thanks for watching the video. Solve the worksheet and send me the answer as soon as possible. Thank you very much.